Who gave the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Who among the following is credited to work for the unification of electricity, magnetism, and optic field of physics is James Clerk Maxwell. The force that binds the neutrons and protons in a nucleus is called a strong nuclear force. By how many times are the electrostatic forces stronger than the gravitational forces? For a fixed distance is 10 power 36. Optical fiber technology works on which of these principles of physics is total internal reflection of light? Which of the following is not a valid conservation law of classical physics? Is law of conservation of current? What is the range of strong nuclear force? Is very short nuclear size. Which of the following is are a part of the classical physics is optics and thermodynamics? Answer is both A and B. Who among the following is credited for the corpuscular theory of light? Is Isaac Newton. Electron microscope works on which of the following principles? Is wave nature of electrons. An electrical generator is based on which of the following scientific principles? Is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Who among the following discovered X-ray? Is W.C. Roentgen. What is the range of masses involved in the study of physics? Is 10 power minus 30 kg to 10 power 55 kgs. Nuclear reactors are based on which of the following phenomenon? Is controlled nuclear fission. What is the change in the angular momentum of a system as per the law of conservation of angular momentum? If the total internal torque is equal to 0 is remains constant, it does not. The recoiling of gun is an example of which of the following is law of conservation of linear momentum? Which of the following is correct about the properties of gravitational forces? They observe inverse square. Who among the following is credited for the discovery of expanding universe? Is Edwin Hubble. Who among the following gave the uncertainty principle? Is option D. Which of the following scientific discoveries was made by C.V. Raman? Inelastic scattering of light by molecules. Who was the first scientist to discover electrons? Is J.J. Thomson. What is the force of attraction between any two bodies by virtue of their masses is called gravitational force. The forces between charged particles is called as electromagnetic force. Which of these branches of physics deals with heat and temperature and their relation to their energy and work? Is thermodynamics. Which of the following branches of physics deal with study of atomic nuclei? Is nuclear physics. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.